Just like that. What would we have said? Eh? That's why I always tell people to be careful around their houses and their farms. If you ask me, I'll tell you to fumigate your house.
Joma, I have fumigated it already. It was my carelessness that made the snake beat me. Because I saw it before it escaped and just came back from nowhere and just beat me.
Chai, sorry Hope you're taking your medications. You know snake can be very poisonous.
Hey.
How is Mama?
Mama is fine. She was even the one that cajoled me to come here today, that I make sure I see you today. Mama? Mama, I'm ready to leave.
You are ready?
Yes.
Ijoma, you refuse to go and see your daughter at the palace. I have said this times without number since you came back from school. You refuse to listen. You have mind though. What are you even learning in that school? Don't they teach you how to relate with your family?
Mama, I told you before that Prince Nnamdi is not around. He's not in the village. Am I supposed to go to the palace without him being there?
Oh, where are you going?
Mama, I can't. I can't go there. Moreover, I don't even want to see the king.
I know why I'm saying this. Tomorrow, that child is growing fastly. Don't complain. When she will start to treat you bad, don't complain.
Mama, because I'm running late. I'll call you when I get to school.
Bye-bye. You know why I'm saying it though? Hey, how come I can boast you?
So, that was how I was able to settle with my father.
And he forgave me. Nem, your father is a good man. Not like Mazu Dikeh, who looks gentle, but his mind is a collection of everything.
That reminds me, how about that old man? Has he finally gotten a wife?
Yes, sir. Okeke, his cousin, got him one young lady from Iseke, who has 2 sons at home, for his father who couldn't have male child. Then she decided to marry. Since then, they'll be living together.
So, the woman is exactly what he wanted.
A fine lady with a nice curve. But she's not that young. She should be around 36 or so.
36 or so. And you say she's not a young woman?
What?
That is not the story for today. You know, the greatest joy is that at least everyone will now be free from a ma and his retired school principal father of Dikeh.
Yes, you can say that again. Yes, you can rest.
That's nice. That's beautiful. At least.
I missed you, boy. I'm here for real. 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 Come on. I'm here for real. Like I've been telling you on the phone, what you did was very bad. If not for one thing, I would have cursed you. A bongon. Eh? A young girl that lost her father. I brought her here to help her go to school. Out of the blues, you shattered her plan. Shattered her dreams. Hey! I was thinking, if really I'm your real father, because no one from my groins will do such a thing that he did. Papa, I've pleaded with you to forgive me. I'm sorry. Those days were days of youthful exuberance. I was so stupid and acted out of ignorance. I was so childish. But I'm grown now and I know better. And I've come to say I'm sorry. I regret my actions. I just wish there's a way I can just turn back the hands of time. I'm really sorry. You better start going to find her wherever you will see her and plead for her forgiveness. If she forgives you, fine. But I doubt if she will ever forgive you because she passed through a lot. Oh, Papa, don't worry. Just relax, okay? I am here now, and I promise you that I will do everything within my power, Papa. I will go out of my way to make sure that I get things right. Yes, I will make amends. Trust me on that. Well, that is better. Good. So, Papa, tell me. I hope you are enjoying those foreign drinks I got for you.
But I am not talking about the foreign one. Go and look for that girl. Nuge.
Oh. Okay, Papa. Okay, thank you.
What will I do for? Get even game in one guy. Hi. Look at how you came into my poor home and wiped out my tears. The tears of a poor widow. If it's a Hi. So now I am the mother of a lawyer.
Yes, Mama. Very soon you'll be addressed as Mama Lawyer. I think that Ijoma, in all honesty, is a very brilliant young lady. She's just a victim of circumstance. She's doing well with her studies, and very soon she'll be done with law school, and then she can be addressed as a barrister.
Hey, I'm Mama about you go. Hey, hi. Just in fact, there's nothing this creator of the whole universe cannot do. Yeah? Look at my daughter who thought that her life has ended. When God will bless you.
Say.
You will never lack in this life.
Say.
You will live to see your grandchildren up to the 4th generation. You will reign more than your father. Yes, you will reign more than him. Aye, you will live long. Aye.
Mama, I have a few more rounds to make in town. Let me take my leave. I'll be on my way.
All right.
Oh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. No, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. I am Chinedu from Oba village.
Okay. No.
You are Ijoma's mother. Okay, is she around?
Oh, she's not around. She's at the school where she's doing her law something. She'll be back next week. Oh.
Next week?
Yes.
Okay. I would really want to see her, so I'll come back next week.
No problem. I'll come more to her. Oh, next week you'll come back.
Alright. Mama, I don't know. Do you have her phone number so I can call her?
I don't have it. I don't have a phone number. My phone number I don't have. Just come back next week.
Okay,
oh, Mananam, are you her schoolmate?
I'm a friend.
Friend?
Yeah, friend. Okay, thank you very much for your time, man. I will come back next week. Thank you. And I just have this. Just get anything for yourself.
More about you?
Yes. Thank you.
Hey! Thank
you, ma. Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Chekwe, it's an
Mama, when I come next week. Thank you.
Okay, next week. Next week. Oh. Bye bye. Next week. Oh. Next week. Hey! Ojugo.
You changed completely.
Really?
Yes.
I don't understand. How do you mean I changed completely?
You look more beautiful now.
Yes.
Seriously. Oh, I thought you said being an American nurse is so tedious. So what actually happened?
Maria, please forget about it.
No, you were just hitting everything.
Just forget it. By the way, how is the king?
Yeah, the king is fine.
Oh, good to know. Amara, look at you. You see Amara has grown so much. Look at your chest.
Kate, I missed you so much.
My darling, I missed you too.
You look so beautiful now.
Oh, really?
Now again. Okay, let's go in and see my father.
Of course, I missed him too.
Abby, are you okay?
My daughter, you are a very kind woman. Everything you sent to Amarachi, I took notice of them. You kept calling to know how she was faring. So kind of you. My God will bless you.
God bless you too, Your Majesty. Amarachi has been nice to me too. The fact that her mother treated her bad and she found herself here in this palace really shows that she's a blessed child.
Well, Kate, I told my brother yesterday that you were going to come back, and the first thing he did this morning was to ask if you called.
Well, Adeze, I am not here for your brother. I came here to see Your Majesty, Amarachi, and of course you. I am not here to see your brother.
He still loves you. Don't forget that. Yeah, if it is the will of God that both of you get married, it shall come to pass.
Your Majesty, Nandi has never called me for once since I traveled. Well, the fact that I'm still single is because I've not found someone that I love. If not, I would have gotten married long time ago.
No, Kate, like Father said, if it is the will of God, definitely you both will end up together.
The mother says she's in school. That she'll be back next week. So, I'll wait. Like I said, I'll surely see her. Yes, I must see her.
Brother, all I know is that this movement is going to be a fruitless one. Because as a woman, I understood what rape is all about. It's actually a pity that I was not around when this whole thing happened. I would have prevented it. Now it's over 10 years and nobody cares. Mama, because of the way you handled the whole issues, you couldn't see the legs to go see mother and child.
Mom, how is it my fault? Chinedu, he lied to me. He lied to me that he was not responsible. If I had known, I would have handled it maturely. Now it's over 10 years. What do we do? I'm confused already. Hey!
Everything lies on Ijoma right now. But, brother, we have to go see her first. And her approach will definitely determine how we will follow everything up.
Sure. I must see her. Yes, it's a must. It's not a problem. Mama, what happened? I am not happy with the way this house is and everything. Just look at the curtain, so outdated and worn off. What happened? I don't know. I've been sending money. What can you send them?
You have been sending money, yes, but we have to feed. But for the house issue, ask your father.
I have a gist for you.
Really? A gist? Okay, I'm listening.
I met this.
Don't go there. Don't go there. Oh, excuse you. Are you okay? You be like that. Don't go there. Nothing like that. Whoa, Namdi's back. Who like you want to try? Take his back.
Ow, ow, ow. Ah, you're going to break my waist one day. Huh? You're growing into a very beautiful lady, you know.
Yes.
Huh? How are you today?
Fine.
Huh? You know what? Come with me.
Okay.
Yeah. Come. Yes, welcome. Yeah, get in. Right. Fantastic. Absolutely.
Bro, I said that Kate is back.
I said welcome.
You have to calm down. I'll talk to him, okay? I don't understand this whole thing.
After 5 whole years? Namdi, are you actually like this? Ha! Sweetheart, you amaze me. You were the one who woke me up this morning to ask if Kate was back. And when you saw her, you acted up.
But at least I said hello.
Oh, is that how to greet a friend? No more care, no more smile. She left for abroad to study. Now she has graduated and she came back, and all you could do was that melodrama out there. That was bad. You should value friendship. It's important. The fact that you said it's over is not enough reason for you to keep malice. Bro, nobody knows tomorrow. She might be of help to you tomorrow or the other way round. I don't like this whole thing, please. You better change. Yes, forgive her, please. I don't even know what she did to you.
Just give
forgive
me
her.
a second chance.
It's too much.
To right my wrongs. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hey, yeah. Forgive. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Take off my shoes. I was going to say something in the car, but you never give me the opportunity to.
No.
I want to say it.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I want to say a very big thank you. What do you mean?
For what exactly? Thank you for what?
Thank you for everything.
Okay.
Namdi, you've been such a very nice man.
I know. Okay. Let's get serious.
No, joke apart.
Right.
You did for me what no man ever did. You've been amazing. You've been nice. You wiped away my tears. Look at me. Ijoma. Roaming around this village is now a barrister. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I mean, who knows what would have happened if not for Amarachi? That innocent little girl you were trying to beat to a pulp that morning. You know, sometimes what you don't value values you a lot. You know?
I regret my actions. I really want to make things right. I want to have her back. I just want that daughter and mother connection.
Ijoma, do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Because I sponsored your schooling, eh?
Oh, no, not at all. Come on, who wouldn't love you? I do love you sincerely from my heart. Not because you saw me through school, but because you never demanded for anything. You have never ever demanded to have carnal knowledge of me, regardless of... You know, you could have taken advantage of me. You did everything for me. It would have been so easy for you to take advantage of me because things I didn't ask for, you did. You're a great man. You're good. You are nice. And that is the reason I love you.
So now you can love a man and appreciate a man. Now you know that all men are not beasts. Huh? Look, I want you to open up your heart and forgive this man. Open up your heart and let it go. Especially now that you have traveled, you're well read, you have achieved academic excellence, you have fulfilled your dream of being a lawyer. Let it go. I know it hurts, but please, forget all that transpired and forgive. Please.
That man made me worthless. He tore my skin. He broke me into pieces. I went through so much pain because of him. I would never.
Oh no.
I would never.
No.
Ever.
No.
I would.
No. Never say never. Never say never.
I regret all my attitude, please forgive me. Just give me a second chance to right my wrongs. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, yeah. I'm sorry.
I have been waiting for the marriage between the prince and Ijoma, but there is no news yet.
Calm down. Eh? Are you aware that royal wedding takes a lot of planning? Do you know why I call her Rosola?
I know. But the news should have been everywhere now.
No, you're right. Ijoma is now a lawyer. She has been called to the bar. I believe very soon, after her youth service, the traditional marriage will come.
But remember, it was a human being that got her pregnant, not an animal. As such, the man will still come for his child. This one you said the prince wants to take the child to. How?
Oluchi, that child was raised in the palace. The palace took care of her school up till today. Where is the so-called father? Was he not the one that raped her and made her pregnant? Even warranted an old man like Mazu Dikeh to ask her hand in marriage. Here you are talking rubbish. Child and father.
No, please, leave Mazu Dikeh out of this. That young lady has really suffered. Especially when she was carrying the child. And look at her now. God has remembered her and wiped her tears.
Now you're talking.
It's well.
Now you're talking.
It's well, though.
What are you doing here? I ask, what are you doing in my father's house?
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Get out! 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 Stop! Let's go! Oh my God! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
It's okay, I just come. We have left already now, please. What's going on? It's okay.
That guy is a beast. He destroyed my life. He ruined my future. He made me a thing of mockery in this village. What did he come here to do? To show me how rich and influential he is. Is that why he came here?
Ijoma, please calm down. This didn't happen years ago. The young man must have been here to tender an apology. You should have listened to him.
Did I hear you say listen to him? Chinesa, have you ever been raped before? Do you know the trauma I went through? Do you know how I suffered with that pregnancy? I had no father, no brother, no sister except my mother. What did I do? Where did I go wrong? That I was sent to his father's house to continue my studies. And the beast tore my virginity apart. And you want me to listen to him?
Ijoma, please calm down. I know what he did was bad, but you are now what God said you are. And God has found you worthy, and He has blessed you through the prince. Why can't you just forgive and let it go? Ijoma, Biko, let go. Please.
I won't forgive him. I won't. Funny enough, he has been here before to see my mother. He gave my mother some money and my mother didn't know who he was. I swear to you, if my mother had known that he is the same beast who has caused me these whole problems the whole time, he wouldn't have left here the same way he came. But I know what to do.
Ijoma, don't do anything. You had better start considering on how you are going to forgive him and move on with your life.
I'm not going to move on with my life because I am going to file a lawsuit against that bastard. I will make sure he goes to prison. It's just like him out there hurting people's children, girl children every day. And you ask me to forgive him and let him go?
Aji, please, don't do anything, please. Oh, Wanyoma. Oh. See. Please, Ijoma, calm down, but don't do anything. Please calm down. I understand how you feel. I do. I'm a woman like you. I understand how you feel. Please calm down. Please. Please. Please calm down.
What should I have done? That time your mother was calling her names and promptly refused me from saying anything. Was it her tears? Her broken heart and all that? The truth is, Chinedu, my son,
No matter how much you must have made in this life, building house here and there, you remain a rapist. If you do not go and make that innocent girl forgive you. You remember when I was sounding a note of warning to you to stop following those street boys? Now, look at where it has landed you.
Nai, we must not continue to dwell on the past. Eh? It takes a man to do what my son is doing right now. She should understand that this thing happened long ago when they were all younger. I'm sure my son is more matured now to handle things. For a man to stoop so low and ask for her forgiveness, it's not easy. So she should consider it.
Mama, please. Stop talking like that and act like a woman. This girl might decide to take this matter up and it will end in court.
It's in court.
Just that she may not know her rights. Brother, please, do not relent. Press on. Not because she had a child for you, but because you did the worst thing anyone could do to a woman.
Yes.
Let her see the true remorse. She may forgive you. But as for the marriage, nothing in this life would make her to agree to marry you. Because she's already seen you as a beast. It will only take the grace of God for her to agree to that.
I look so stupid right now. I regret everything. I wish I didn't do this. I wish this whole thing never happened. I wish I didn't do this to an innocent girl whose father died and was brought to this house for refuge. I regret the whole thing. Even if she forgives me, will God ever forgive me?
It's alright, my son. God will forgive you if you go for that.
It's okay, brother. Stop crying.
She will forgive.
It's okay.
Everything will be fine. Oh?
I think I've learned my lessons, and I want to set things right again. Give me a second chance just to right my wrongs. I'll make it up to you. Hey, I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can go back to the past and right on my wrong, undo what I did to you. But I'm down on my knees saying, please forgive me. I am sorry for the past. I regret all my attitude. Please forgive me. Just give
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, I'm sure you must have known who gave you money the other day. And that the person is a beast.
Beast!
And that is exactly what you are. And I am happy that you understand your true nature. Beast! It is good that you came. Let me bring your money for you. I still kept it so that you leave my compound immediately. Because a rapist and a beast should not be seen anywhere in my house. Or I will shout so that my husband's kinsmen will all gather here for you.
Please, I am sorry. I am sorry about the whole thing. I am here so that you and Ijoma can forgive me. I know that what I did was wrong. But Mama, please, it happened when I was a child. I went against my father's advice. I disobeyed him, yes. Because he did advise me against these street boys, and they actually introduced me to all manner of nonsense, Indian hemp, cannabis and all that. And this happened. But Mama, please, just see me as your son. See me as your son, Mama, and forgive me. I beg you.
Was that an excuse? Now tell me! Was that an excuse? Rape is rape. No matter the age and the time it happened. You knew that my daughter had no one that will speak for her. And you did what you did to ruin her life, her future. You were aware that my husband died and my only son also died in motor accident. And that was why your father, who is a good man, came and took Ijoma from me just to make my burden less for me. For him to lessen my burden. And that gave you a way to my daughter's life. You took advantage of her. Get out of my house. I'm ashamed of you. I'm ashamed of you. You're nothing but a bunch of disgrace. That young man has been dead. And I am sure he has changed. I know what he did was an abomination. But the truth remains that he is the father of your child. Please forgive him.
Mama, please. If you ask me one more time to forgive Chinedu, you automatically become my enemy. Why would you say that to me? Why? Do you know what that man did to me? Do you know what it feels like to be designed by rape and become pregnant with no one standing by you except you, my mother? And you want me to forgive him? I would rather die. I would rather die than forgive Chinedu. Mama, don't ask for this favor again. I beg you. Don't.
Ijoma, please listen to us. If not for anything, just because the way God remembered you through the prince. He's not even asking for Amarachi. Of course, he can't do that. Considering the fact that you weren't married to him and Amarachi was as a result of rape incident. What we're saying is for you to forgive him so he can leave you alone. Please, just forgive him. So
Don't you ever! I would never ever do it. And if any of you make any statement about this incident again, I swear to God who made me, I will lose it.
We should wait for the third badge, if that is the point. But all I know is that we are done with school.
You are done with school? Chinas, I thought I told you to write those carryovers while I was in law school. At least by now we'll be talking about youth service.
But I told you about that very stupid lecturer that swore that he must sleep with me before I leave the school. And he kept on failing me or my sister. It was the SUG president that recently reported the matter to the Senate. That is where it is now. That is where the matter is on now.
Nana, wow. You know, I just thank God that I never ever went through that while I was in school. How I for take handle am? Even as I ugly rich, I hide my face for school. What would I have done? What's the story?
How is that your child's father?
My daughter doesn't have a father who is a beast. And don't mention it again.
But you told me how old you were when you gave birth to your daughter. And that should also explain how old it is. You both were younger and he might not have known what he did. All I'm asking you to do, Ike, is to forgive. God has raised you beyond measures, my friend.
Chinaza, I have spoken to you about preaching forgiveness to me before, haven't I? Moreover, the prince has adopted my daughter. He is now a father to her. I don't know what he has in mind, but please, stop preaching forgiveness to me.
Like he will propose, like he wants to propose?
Well, I don't know. He hasn't said anything, but if he does, I mean...
You will accept.
Why are you happy? But let me ask you something. For a man who single-handedly saw me through school, while I studied a professional course, he is not married and I'm single. I know so you be Olodo, but at least you pass maths for JAMB. Do the calculation.
Hey, someone is in love. My friend.
Namdi, you've not been yourself for some days now. What is eating my brother up? What is it?
Oh. I'm okay. It's nothing you should bother your head about. I'm fine.
But I'm your sister. You should talk to me. What is it? Oh. I'm not really comfortable not seeing you being happy. You know that.
I'll be okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I just thought of something. Big bro, is it actually about choosing between a lawyer and a microbiologist turned a nurse? Well, I will advise you to think properly because one is from a refined Christian home while the other is a rape victim who had a child for another man. So big bro, think properly, okay?
Get out. Right.
Baby, what are you telling me? I mean, why would you be playing this slow game with this girl? A girl that has your child. She's with your child and you're playing this rubbish with her, taking it as if it's just a common thing. One man, what on you? You wait, don't Ikem me. You know how we suffered in abroad to make this money, right? And God blessed you so much, more than any other person. Na him and kiss patega. Wala akonu chaho. Not one from this girl now. Not for you.
There's something you don't understand. This is a rape matter. Rape. Do you even understand? It's not as if we were dating and something. Rape proper. Is this something I should just, come all out and use force or something? I don't get it.
And so what? Then you do that as you know. Nah, it was a wine. Man, I don't understand you. I don't understand you. See, there was a rape, right? After the rape, there was pregnancy. A child came. Abi, the child not be your own.
It's mine.
And what are you telling me now? Go for your child. See, in fact, let me tell you. It's not that I'm supporting rape. If it were to be my sister, when the 1 year again, I hadn't done you. But this one has taken long. It has been for years. Oh, but again, I'm wiring me. If you love that girl, propose to her. If she refuses, man, collect your child and walk away. Nadia, Wawa.
Seeing you is seeing the beast. What are you doing in my house again?
Please, I beg you. Can you just calm down and listen to me?
I will not calm down and listen to anything. I am going to say this again. I never ever wanted to see you in my life. So please take yourself and the lady standing beside you and get out of my father's house.
Ijoma, please, calm down. Do you even know me?
Of course I don't. Obviously you are a beggar who has come here to beg on his behalf. I want you two to leave this house now.
Ijoma, that was too harsh. Well, I am Edith, Chinedu's younger sister. And yes, we are beggars because we really offended you. And as a woman, I want you to listen to me as a fellow woman.
I would not listen to anything from you. Let me ask you, have you ever been violated? Has any man ever taken you against your wish? I was a young girl who has never ever been with a man before. And your brother took my virginity. Your mother came here, mocked me before my mother and my kinsmen. Called an innocent girl who has never ever been with a man a witch. And you stand here to ask for my forgiveness. I will tell you, tell your brother to leave this place because I know the only reason you're here is to take my child. I suffered to groom. Take your little sister out of this place because I do not want to go crazy.
Just calm down, please. Just calm down, Ijoma. Calm down. Take a deep breath and listen to me. I am not here for the child. I am here to tell you what happened. I'm here to tell you about me. Please, just give me the chance and listen.
Ijoma, please, listen to him and his sister. Biko.
Please. Forgive me. Ijoma, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about the whole thing. I wronged you in all ramifications. Yes, I know I am wrong. Forgive me, please. Just find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am so sorry. Please.
You know you're lucky. You're so lucky I have grown. You're so lucky I am a mother. You're so lucky I'm a better person. And you're lucky I gained education. Else, you wouldn't want to see the other side of me. You would take yourself and your little sister and get out of my father's house. I am not going to say it again.
I'm sorry.
Get out.
I think I've learned my lessons, and I want to set things right again. Give me a second chance just to right my wrongs. I'll make it up to you. Hey, I wish I can turn back days of time. I wish I can go back to the past and right on my wrong, or do what I did to you. but I'm down on my knees saying, please forgive me. I am sorry for the past. I regret all my attitude. Please forgive me. Just give me a second chance to right my wrongs. Please forgive me. I am sorry for the past. I regret all my attitude. Please forgive me. Just give me a second chance to right my wrongs. Oh. Hey, yeah. Forgive me, I am sorry. Hey, yeah. I wish I can turn back the hands of time. I wish I can go back to the past and right on my wrong, undo what I did to you. But I'm down on my knees saying, please forgive me. I am sorry for the past. I regret all my attitude. Please forgive me. Just give me a second chance to right my wrongs. Please forgive me. I am sorry for the past. I regret all my attitude. Please forgive me. Just give me a second chance to right my wrongs.
You have to take it easy and follow her. Continue to show her love. When she sees that you're truly sorry, who knows, she would accept and forgive you. As a woman, I understand how it really hurts.
Edith, what else am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Tell me. For how long? For how long would I continue to take these insults? I think I would have to go to court. Yes. To claim my child. Even if it warrants serving some jail terms. Provided I get my baby.
Brother, no judge wants to hear the word rape. In case you don't know, rape is a serious case. Just that Africans and their government doesn't take it serious because it's only happening to the female gender. We must all lend our voices and deal with whoever that is involved in it. The trauma it causes the female gender is too huge. Look, you have made money and you built this mansion. This case can actually take off everything in 1 second. That's why you just have to calm down and follow it properly.
What else?
What? Calm down. Just calm down. You committed a crime, remember? Calm down.
Hey, you mean you went with your sister and she did not listen to you?
My dad, Ijoma told me to my face that over her dead body will she forgive me and I'm not going to see the child.
What are you telling me? Is she crazy? Like, is she going nuts? Which one year? See, she's so lucky that I'm not the one involved. Else I would have used the money I made in Europe dealing with her, man. What are you telling me? You see that child, guy? She must provide that baby. Now I'm lying casual. Knock on the door, you are a man. Else something bad would happen to her, man.
No! Please, move back. Don't give my brother such advice. I am a woman and I know how it feels when a girl is being raped. Let's not open our mouth and be talking anyhow because we are black people who doesn't value women like the whites. Brother, you must try as much as you can to get Ijoma's mind back. Get her line or something. Send her text messages telling her how sorry you are. No woman is a devil, but our approach determines how a woman reacts.
Edith,
you've defended your folks so well, right? Maybe we should do as you said. Oh yeah.
Please, brother, don't go to Ijoma's house with the likes of Ikem, because he would definitely scatter the whole process.
Oh God, what do I do? I can't see myself forgiving Chinedu. He disgusts me so bad. No, I can't forgive him. I am already in love with Prince Nnamdi. Oh my God, why me? How can I leave the man who has been taking care of me this whole time? I know once I allow this Chinedu and forgive him, something must follow up, and I don't want it. Nnamdi has shown me that all men are not the same. He has never for a day asked me of the color of my pant or the size of my breast with all the money he spent on me while I was in school. I know he loves me so much even though he hasn't proposed to me. I know he's just waiting for the right time to do so. Do I just forgive this beast or should I keep chasing him away? I don't want the prince to... Anyway, I know what to do.
Thank you.
So can I go back?
I have one last favor to ask.
Okay, what is it again?
Okay, here it is. If I ask you to be my woman, would you say yes?
Shut up, but say that again.
If I propose to you, would you say yes?
If that is a proposal, I'll say yes. I mean, yes! 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 Yes!
Come on! It's okay, it's fine. I hear you. Come on. It's okay. Thank you. However, I'm going to plan a proposal. Because I'm not just going to leave you for anyone. You're a good woman. You're beautiful.